Welcome back, friends. Today, I'd like to discuss about a very common and very useful use case, that is expense management. So, everybody want to record their expenses on every day, what they are and what items they are spending, right? So, usually we manage some kind of Excel sheet or Google sheet, and we enter our transactions on that Google sheet. So what happens is, in initial days, we will manage that very religiously. But what happens over a period of time, we will lazy. We don't enter the transactions, and over a period of time, we stop logging the transactions. So the problem is you need to open the Google Sheet and entry. That's little painful. So what we can do is, if you have a mobile, just open your Telegram or WhatsApp, just send a voice message. But whenever you did transaction, whenever you finish shopping, just open the our Telegram and give message like, I did shopping of worth 10,000 rupees. This is very simple, right? If you give this message, then what we need to do is, Telegram message need to go and record that transaction in the Google Sheet. This, if it is, this is there, everybody can, whatever transaction happen, if you get salary, just open the Telegram and tell that I got salary of 2 lakhs, 3 lakhs, something like that. So that's release, that eases our life, right? So for that, how can we achieve this automation? Telegram to Google Sheet. Okay, let's dive in. So what we can do is, I did this automation using n8n. Let me open my n8n. I configure Telegram trigger. I can teach you how to configure Telegram trigger step by step in another video. Please watch that video. And once we got the message from the Telegram, that message will go to the AI agent. Don't worry if you don't know about AI agent. So AI agent is kind of human kind of system that understand your transaction. Even you send the message in natural language like English, it has capability to understand the transaction. It will segregate, is it is credit transaction or debit transaction. It has that intelligence, right? So whenever there is a scope of human, we will put that AI agent over there. For human to record anything, three things are required, right? Like human need to have brain to analyze the transaction, and human need to have some memory to store the earlier transaction, what so far what he has spent, right? And human need to have some kind of tools to access the tools and update the transaction. Like, if you don't automate, what you do, you open the Google Sheet and you log the transaction, right? That is a tool, right? Similarly, for agent also, there is a brain, that is chart model, and there is a memory, simple memory to remember the earlier transactions. And there are tools like Google Sheets and Gmail, right? So then, whenever from the Telegram a message arrives to the AI agent, it analyzes the message, and it will segregate, is the debit message, it is a credit message, is money coming to the account or maybe money going out of the account. Based on this, chart model will decide that one. Even if you send a simple English message, based on that message, the chart model can able to analyze that is a credit or debit, right? And is update that information to the Google Sheet. And if you have any requirement, like you have a goal to keep 10,000 rupees minimum in your account always, no matter what, you should not, your account should not go below 10,000 rupees. That is your goal, because some kind of maybe payments are there. You don't want your account to go 10,000 rupees. Even if it goes below 10,000 rupees, you expect an alert, then you can go and refill that account, right? So what we can do is, if account balance falls below 10,000, and we can send an email to the user, hey boss, your account is below 10,000, like that, right? This is also tool. Now, uh, how we configure this entire end-to-end transaction? If it is a telegram trigger, if it is first initially, let me run this first, let me demo this one, and I can show you how to build this one from the scratch. Okay, so I'll open my telegram, and I got something like this. I'm testing over there. I got the payment of for example, I received payment, received payment 50,000 from customer. Then if I execute the workflow over here, agent receives that one and updates the Google Sheet, right? And let me open my Google Sheet. 50,000. Earlier it is 4 lakhs, 8 lakhs, and 50,000 got added. Now it is 8 lakh 50,000, the total amount, right? So then what I put a trigger over here is in the n8n. This is the system prompt, where if send an email when total exceeds 5 lakhs, here I put reverse condition. When it exceeds 5 lakhs, I want a mail. So I got a mail, hopefully now, total exceed 5 lakhs. Current balance is totally 8,500. Even you can configure if it is fall below 10,000, something like that also, it is okay. That's an entire thing how you configure your prompt, right? So this is a very simple thing to organize, right? Now, let's we debug how this flow can be built from the scratch, end to end. Friends, you want to know more scenarios like this? You want to know how this flow is developed, designed from the scratch, from Telegram to Google Sheet, how each component is configured. Please follow my YouTube channel. I will post another video on the complete development of this flow. Not only this workflow, I'm going to post more interesting and most important scenarios also going forward. Please like and subscribe my channel for more interesting videos. That motivates me to push more videos like this. Thank you.